Hey y'all, hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to take this pouring paint up a notch. We have an 11 by 14 stretch canvas. We're going to do the cup method this time. Around here I try for us to get crafty on a budget. I got the pouring medium off of Amazon for around $8. I'm down to about here, so this might be our last use out of it. I have definitely gotten 1, 2, 3, this will be at least my 4th use out of it. Regular apple barrel from my stash, True Navy. From the Dollar Tree, pre-mixed pouring paints. I got light pink, lime green, amethyst, and onyx. I've used all of these except for the onyx. I picked up the 11 by 14 stretched canvas from Dollar General for $4. It's not flimsy or crinkled. I think that sounds like a really good buy. Can you let me know in the comments? I'm not close to a Hobby Lobby. Stuff from my stash. A cup for the pour. I got these at the Dollar Tree, condiment cups, so stuff from my stash from the Dollar Tree. This came with the little roller. I haven't used the roller yet, but I use the tray a lot. And we'll grab the pan and the baking rack. My last project's still on it. Alright, the baking pan is from Dollar Tree. I have used it 4 times now. The baking rack, cooling rack, is from my stash. I have obviously used it the same 4 times. This has done me really well. Alright, so our canvas, we are cutting it close. Good morning. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Look at how it came together when it dried. So lovely. I hope you have a beautiful day.